Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on Fujitsu fi-7160, fi-7180, fi-7260, or fi-7280 scanners. The JANT AC adapter, specifically the pa-3670K905 PSU. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to be a reliable and safe companion for your high-performance scanning needs. Right out of the box, one notices its compact design and sleek black finish. Weighing in at just 9 ounces, it's incredibly portable, making it an ideal choice for those who need to move their scanner between different workstations or even take it on the go. Its low power consumption is another plus, ensuring efficiency without compromising performance. What truly sets this JANT adapter apart is its commitment to safety and durability. Manufactured with high-quality materials, it boasts built-in protection against common electrical issues, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit safeguards. This means users can plug in their valuable Fujitsu scanner with peace of mind, knowing the adapter actively works to prevent potential damage from power fluctuations. Its CE certification further reinforces adherence to stringent safety standards, having been thoroughly tested by the manufacturer for both safety and long-term durability. Now, while the adapter itself is robust, a few crucial tips ensure its optimal performance and longevity. Firstly, regular cleaning of the charging port is recommended. Over time, plugs can accumulate fouling, leading to poor contact or even preventing the adapter from working. A quick clean prevents these minor but frustrating issues. Secondly, and this is paramount, always ensure the correct voltage is selected before connecting it to your device. Many small household appliances lack internal circuit protection, and using the wrong voltage can cause irreversible damage. The manufacturer wisely advises using less than 80% of the full load capacity to prevent overloading, which could significantly shorten the adapter's lifespan. This attention to detail in usage guidelines speaks volumes about the product's design philosophy. Finally, some general care tips will keep this adapter serving you well. It's designed for indoor use, so keep it away from the elements. Avoid dropping, knocking, or shaking the charger, as high and low temperatures can also shorten the life of electronic equipment and damage internal circuit boards. Treating it with a little care will ensure it continues to power your Fujitsu scanner reliably for years to come. In essence, the JANT AC adapter for Fujitsu fi-7160, fi-7180, fi-7260, and fi-7280 scanners is more than just a power brick. It's a thoughtfully designed, safety-conscious, and durable power solution that ensures your scanner remains operational and protected. For anyone needing a dependable replacement or a spare power supply, this adapter certainly stands out as a top-tier choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.